Instead of the classic fireworks displays that Ariel mentioned, the Hillsborough County Fairgrounds will be going high-tech tonight, and they're lighting up the skies with drones. A growing number of cities and counties all across Florida are putting on these new drone shows this 4th of July, and that's new tonight here at 5. Fox 13's Carla Byron explains why they're leaning towards this alternative display.
American flags, eagles, and fighter jets. It doesn't get more patriotic than that. All these configurations created using drones. Some communities are putting typical fireworks on the back burner this year and are instead doing these kinds of spectacle of lights. The Hillsborough County Fairgrounds will have 100 drones in the sky this 4th of July. And in Ocala, the city is hosting the Patriotic Skies, a 4th of July drone experience, its first ever drone show. The 15-minute show features more than 300 drones. Organizers say they replaced the fireworks show because drones are more inclusive and environmentally friendly, since there are no flashes or loud explosions. The drones don't disturb veterans suffering from PTSD who may be reminded of a war zone and experience anxiety and flashbacks.